This is the result of the synergy of your investment and our commitment. A development grounded on a vision, strengthened by your trust, and built with our expertise.
Welcome to our newest University Town development here in the South, a project that is part of the SMDC's Higher initiative to provide students, faculty, and professionals with a place that is conveniently close to everything they need as they work on their goals and dreams. I am proud to tell you that we are on the final stage of construction for Green 2 residences.
Set to be the ideal home for individuals looking to enjoy life while thriving on their dreams. Meticulously designed and developed with precision. By a team driven with an all-out commitment to deliver on a promise. Located in a flourishing city, close to commercial centers, and top educational institutions. With stylish towers and smartly designed facilities. Helping to strike a balance between study, work, and play. Once completed, Green 2 Residences will be the new home of individuals on their way to success.